Hello everyone, my name is Jamie Todd. I work for Omelcom and we're here in Lyon at the main office. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a couple of our products. Firstly, our ASN 24 and its mounting bracket, whether that be for a pole or a facade or a wall or even on a mobra arm. What I'd like to do next is take you to a wall and show you how easy it is to put this unit together. Okay, so what we need to do first is work out where we're going to put it on the wall. So as you can see, the easiest thing to do is put your first screw in. So up to the wall, put it in a little ways, and then we can mount it straight up, hang it, and just make sure we're happy with exactly where it is. If we are, we can line that up. Now we've got loads of options. You can either use straps, the straps that you can go through the back. We've got, as you can see, perfect for a wall. You've got your top and bottom mounts. And then we've got two bendable parts, whether you want to put it onto a pole as well. So today we'll just use the top and bottom to ensure that we get the best possible connection. And I found my screw. There we go, nice and secure. Nice and secure, perfect. So now we're ready to mount our ASN to it. When it comes to storing your cables, we give you lots of options. So we've already added two wings. So if you're doing pole to pole, you can have one side, one lot of cables, simply tie wrap them secure. And then you've got your other side there, so you can have two lots of cables. If you've got a large piece of cable and you want to do that, again, we're just simply wrapping around here. So we give you loads of options and really easy and really accessible for you to use and get your best and fastest way of installing your products. Okay, so now we've mounted that to the wall nice and secure, we need to add in our one screw. Now it's just one screw for this. So we're popping it in. We've already got a captive nut is already in there, so just pop that in. We then take our ASN and we bring it up to the bracket. We've got two slots at the bottom, as you can see here. And what's so good about our unit here at Omelcom is you pop the bit in the bottom, hang it on there, it's in. Really quick, really fast, and it's really secure. Once you're happy with where it is, all we're doing is locking that down. You get your screwdriver, that's it, bosh, and it's done. Nice and secure, that's going nowhere. That'll be on the top of a pole, underground, or on a wall. Absolutely, really safe. Perfect for all your installations. If you're back out in the field, you need to take the unit off and bring it, maybe you're up a pole, you need to bring it down and you need to do some repairs on the cables or whatever you need to do. It's just as easy to take off. All you're simply doing, undo your top bolt, and then it's simply lift, pop that off, you've got your unit. Obviously you'll have your cables popping out, but that is just how simple and easy it is to install our ASN with our ASN bracket. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, our ASN bracket and ASN, super easy to install, really quick, really simple, and it's just making sure that you can get the best and the speediest connection for your network. Please go to our website, omelcom.co.uk, and you can find loads of information to contact me, or you can find myself on LinkedIn. So just for me to say thank you so much for your time today. My name's Jamie Todd. We'll see you next time.